Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Connor
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide or anywhere else from Melbourne in Australia. We have finally got the 1 ounce silver dragoons in.
And we're going to unbox them today.
We are.
So these have been long awaited.
They certainly have. It's been a long time coming.
We got a lot of people on the live stream and the YouTube comments asking for them.
Yep.
Why the silver rectangular dragons? Why are they so popular? What's the appeal, you think?
They're slightly unusual. I need to change the blade on this one. They're slightly unusual in that they're a rectangular coin. So they're one of only 2 rectangular coins, I think. One of only 2 rectangular coins that the Perth Mint produces every year. They do produce them every year, which adds to, people collecting them every year. They are a cheap bullion coin that builds, so you're buying something at normal bullion coin price or cheaper bullion coin price. It's a very similar price to what a lot of our international coins are by the time we try and import them from overseas. So not quite as cheap as a kangaroo, but not much dearer. But it's the type of coin that can build collector premium over time.
Okay.
So always good, always very limited production. And always only available for a very short period of time throughout the year. Does that answer your question?
Yes, no, beautifully, actually. I don't have any follow-ups there, so let's just crack into it.
So the one downside
of
the dragon, and you'll see it in about 30 seconds when I open it, is that they come naked.
Oh, no.
So they are in the tube. You get tubes of 20, so unlike the rest of the Perth Mint, like the kangaroos and that, which are tubes of 25, the dragons are in tubes of 20, just to confuse us a little bit. And as soon as I can pop this flipping thing open, there we go. You will see that they are inside there and they don't come in a capsule. Now, just to give everyone the heads up, we do not have, this year, we do not have any rectangular capsules for them. So if you want them in a capsule, you're going to have to source it off the secondary market somewhere. And the only reason I'm making a big deal of the capsule, is because we get a lot of requests, so I'm trying to head them off at the pass. But as you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful design. Not my favourite. 2 years ago they did 2 dragons twisted around each other, and that looked super stunning. But I have to say, I still like the design, and we talked about the design when we unboxed the gold version of it. And we got a lot of positive feedback on it and a bit of negative feedback on it from people saying, oh, I rather the other one and I don't like this about it and that. But most people thought it was quite good.
And after seeing this one again, it's a really interesting angle of the dragon, actually.
Yeah, it is. And it has that frosted finish in the background, which I think really sets it off nicely. And then over the page, again, you've got this frosted background, which I think just emphasises nicely the coin's head and the numbering on it and that type of thing. I wish they would do more in this style, particularly the kangaroo bar that they produced every other year, but I'm not hearing rumours of this year. And the dragon, they're a stunning coin. And very reasonably priced. It's like that. What's that car show? I'm having a mental blank. I go, the reasonably priced car.
Yeah. Are you talking about? You're not talking about Top Gear, right?
Yeah, Top Gear. That's it. All I could come up with was Top Gun, and I knew that was wrong. So Top Gear with their, I don't know, they do a race in a reasonably priced car or something.
That's almost as bad as Oscar's Birdman film.
No, it's definitely nowhere near as bad as Birdman.
Yeah, touche. You got me there.
But they are certainly a reasonably priced bullion coin, something a little bit different to add to your stack. And yeah, tubes of 20, boxes of 200 if you want a monster box. I always think they look great. We do have a limited number. We're only allocated 6,500. So grab them while you can. They will sell out pretty quickly.
Beautiful. Thank you for showing us that one there, Michael.
No worries at all.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.